kids. In this session, you are going to learn about under advent of the Europeans, the British, Danish and the French, how they entered into India and started their factory. Okay. First about the British. On 31st December 1600, Elizabeth, the Queen of England, granted a charter to the government and Company of Merchants of London to trade with East Indies. Captain Hawkins visited Jahangir's court in 1608 to get certain concession for the company. He secured permission to raise a settlement at Surat. The Mughal Emperor Jahangir permitted the English to establish their factory in 1613 at Surat. Sir Thomas Roy had established the trading centers at Surat, Agra, Ahmedabad and Bhuj. On the coastline of the Bay of Bengal, the English established their first factory in 1611 at Muslipatnam. In 1639, the English merchant Francis Day obtained Madras as a lease from Chennappa Nayak, the ruler of Chandragiri. The East India Company built its famous factory known as Fort St. George in Madras. It became as the headquarters for the whole of the eastern belt and first fort built by the British. King Charles II of England received the island of Bombay as a part of his dowry from the Portuguese king. The zamindari of three villages of Sultanate, Kalikata and Govindpur was acquired by the British in 1698. After the Battle of Plassey in 1757 and the Battle of Buxar in 1764, the company became a political power. India was under the East India Company rule till 1858, after it became under the direct administration of the British Crown. Danish. About the Danish. On March 17, 1616, the King of Denmark, Christian IV, a charter and created a Danish East India Company. They established settlement at Tranquebar. Tranquebar, it is known as the Tarangampadi, in 1620 and Serampore in 1676. Serampore became their headquarters in India, but they failed in strengthening themselves in India and they sold all the settlements in India to the British in 1845. Zegan Balk, he only set up a printing press at Tarangampadi. The French. The French East India Company was formed in 1664 by Colbert, a minister of King Louis XIV. In 1667, a French expedition came to India under Francois Caron. France was the last European country to come India as traders. Caron founded the first French factory in India at Surat. In 1669, Mackra founded second French factory at Muslipatnam by securing a patent from the Sultan of Golconda. In 1673, the settlement of Pondicherry was founded by Martin under a grant from Sher Khan Lodi, the ruler of Bijapur. Pondicherry became the most important and prosperous French settlement in India. A fort, which was known as St. Louis, was built by Francois Martin in Pondicherry. In 1673, the French obtained permission from Shaista Khan, the Mughal Subedar of Bengal, to establish a township at Chandranagar. The French East India Company established factories in different parts of India. Mainly we may say as a Mahe, Karaikal, Balasur, Qasim Bazar, which became the important trading centers of the French East India Company. Thank you, children.